your bike. Not this way. Look, if you move just a little bit, it falls down. Yes, dangerous. And two other places that you should never lean your bike on. Another place that's a bit safer, it's the saddle. But sometimes, if it moves a little bit, will damage the side of your saddle. So, no handlebars. Could use the saddle with the handlebar, it helps. And never, please, never put your frame against something to put your bike. Let me show you what's the safest way. Well, if you're not gonna fold the bike or use your kickstand. Let me show you. Remember the tip of putting one wheel against the other to hold your bike in place? Same thing. Rubber is the best thing to put against posts or anything. Look how it works. Against it. And it's amazing because it really stays, you know. I can try to move it and it's very hard to fall down. So that's a quick tip for today. Very quick one. We always use this in bigger bicycles, but it works for the Brompton too. So if you did enjoy it, thumbs up. And if you're not part of the channel yet, please do. And please click the little bell, because this little bell will tell you when the quick tip is out or when the video is out. The videos are published every Saturday, but quick tips is whenever I remember something to tell you, okay? Bye-bye.